Hello students. So in today's video we are going to talk about the vacant seats notification that has been released by NUALSKOCHI. Right? We know that after the fifth round of allotment, those seats which are still vacant and not occupied are called vacant seats and are filled by the respective universities. Now, since it's very difficult to track down all these universities' information regarding vacant seats because you have to, individually visit all the websites of the concerned NLU, we have made this process easy and you can straight away track all these information in a single page, that is lawprep.in/2023 vacancies. You can search for this on Google and uh, visit our page, wherein on single dedicated page we have given information regarding all the vacant seats. Now coming to the notification that was released by NUALS. NUALS has already released a notification on 14th of June wherein they have where they have talked about the vacant seats or the process of filling the vacancies. Now the date has been extended and now the last date for application has been extended and it has been kept at 23rd of June. Right? Now the number of vacant seats have not been mentioned in the notification. The notification read that for any vacancy that may come in future, that is vacant seats that may arise in future, you have to show an interest towards this. So this particular application that you're filling is actually an expression of interest. So if you are willing to take the vacant seats in this particular university NUALSKOCHI, then you have to fill this particular perform. Right? If you fail to fill this application, then even though your rank would be better than those who get selected, you will not be considered. So the first prerequisite is that you fill this particular document which has been the link to which has been given in the notification. The link to that particular Google document can also be found in the website which I am talking about, lawprep.in/vacancy. You can visit to the column NUALSKOCHI, then here you can click on the application link. You will be taken to the application link. Right? Coming to other details of this particular thing, there is no fee required to be paid as of now. So till the merit list is drawn or till a call comes from the university saying that you have been considered to fill a particular vacancy, you don't need to pay any fee. Right? And the last date, as I have told you, has been extended now and you have to fill this particular application or the proforma before 3 p.m. on 24th June. Right? So make sure you fill this. Coming to the criteria, who all can apply for this particular vacant seats? Since there is no fixed number of vacant seats mentioned by NUALS, also at the same time the notification doesn't speak about any prerequisites, anyone from any category can apply this. But keep in mind, have a look at the fifth allotment sheet and see if your rank falls very close to that the ending rank of the last candidate, then please apply for NUALS. Right now, like any other vacancies notification that we have seen, NUALSKOCHI has not mentioned any criteria as to what should be your rank, what should be the minimum rank in order for you to be eligible to submit that particular perform. Right? Let's have a look at the form filling process. So once you click at the notification here, you can find the mention of that link through which you can fill the details. Now, once the detail is open, you have to fill all the details. Here, email address is asked. The course which you are applying for if you are undergraduate, then the only course is BLLB Honors. Then you have to mention your name, your address of communication, your phone number, your email address. Remember that your phone number and email address are those to which you have complete access, because you need to track any communication which will be made by NUALS. So as and when a notification or a vacant seat would fall vacant, you will be called if your ranks fit suitable for that particular vacant seat. So keep checking on your phone number as well as email address and have access to it all the time. Right? Mention your age, your date of birth, your gender, your religion, community, the Clat 2023 admit card number, your Clat 2023 rank and the category. If you are from state, Kerala state, and you fall under any of these community, you have to mention it. If you're not from Kerala state, then you can simply mention the first option, which is All India General Merit. After that, you will be taken to the next page. On the next page, there are certain other information. Now, the only mandatory thing that need to be filled here is the first one, which is whether the candidate has claimed the benefit of reservation as per this application at the time of submission of Clat 2023 application. That means if in your Clat 2023 you have not mentioned that you belong to a particular community or say a category, even after that you can claim the reservation of that category, provided here in this particular application form you provide the necessary details of that. So here you have to mention that the same detail which you are talking about. Say if you are from SC category and you haven't mentioned that SC in your Clat 2023 application, but you want to avail the reservation now, you can do it. You have to click no here, saying that while filling the Clat 2023 application you did not avail this, but now you want to avail this. So you will click no here, but at the same time in the previous page you will click to any of the community to which you belong, for which you want to claim the reservation, right? Then you have to add documents as asked here, non-creamy layer certificates and everything. These are not mandatory. These are for those students who want to claim reservation in a particular category, right? Since the number of vacant seats for each category is not mentioned, so make sure that if you have any of the reservation, right, make sure that you find the relevant document and upload it here, because devoid of that, if you don't apply that, you will not be eligible for that particular vacancy. So make sure that all the necessary documents are attached, right? When you come to the end, you can submit the application. There is no requirement of fee. So once you submit, this particular entry will be registered with the Clat NULS administration team. And when a vacancies fall, if there is any seat which fall vacant even till the end, subject to conversion, then you will be called based on your rank and the category you have submitted, right? If there is any query, you can add that in the comment box. Our team will get back and clarify. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.